Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the GE Washer Fusible Link Kit. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get two fusible link kits, which include the instructions, the wire nuts, and the fusible link. The fusible link is a safety device that's wired into the motor wiring harness. The main reason to be changing it out is if the fuse has failed and the motor is not getting any power, so the washer won't spin or agitate. In order to get to the part, we have to take off the front panel. We're going to use a putty knife to release the clips and pull it off. All you have to do is go from the side until you feel it, and then move over a little bit and press it in to release it. Once you have this side off, we can go over and do the other side. Once you have both clips released, you can lift the front panel off the mounting clips and set it aside. Now that we have the front panel off, we have access to the wiring harness. It runs along the cabinet here on the right side. Behind this tape is the fuse. So we're going to grab the wiring harness and unwind the tape so we can cut the old fuse out. Once you have the tape off, you can spread the wires apart and we'll find the fuse so we can cut it out. Now that we have the fusible link out of the wiring harness, we can cut it off above and below the black coating. Once you have it cut out, we can strip the wires and get it ready to put the new one in. You want to grab the wires and strip off about a ½ inch. Here's the old fusible link next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Remember, a fuse can go out for a number of reasons. It could have just been a random failure of the fuse, could have been a power surge, or possibly the motor going bad. So make sure you check everything out with the washer before you put the new fuse in. The fusible link comes with long wires on each end. Depending upon your application, you may have to trim it to fit. We're going to trim ours off a little bit to make it fit better. Once you have it trimmed to length, we can put it in. To put the wire nuts on, we're going to connect the two wires and then put the wire nut over it and crimp it on. This type of wire nut that GE gave with the kit. It's not the twist type where you just twist it together to lock it on there. You got to join the wires together, then put the wire nut on, and then crimp it down. Once you have the wire nuts connected, we're going to cut some electrical tape and cover this section of the wiring harness back up. We're going to just carefully wrap the whole wiring harness up so it's covered and everything's protected. Once you have the section where you wrapped and both wire nuts are protected, you can put the front panel back on. To put the front panel on, all you have to do is set it on the two lower mounting tabs. Once you have it in place, you have to lift it up so the pins line up, and you can push it all the way closed and lock it in. Now that you're done repairing the appliance, you can plug it back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.